Most survivors of the Holocaust eventually left Europe, hoping to begin life anew in lands that offered freedom and security. After Israel, Australia became home to the largest migration of Holocaust survivors per capita. The survivors brought with them a variety of cultural traditions, skills, and a desire to contribute to both the Jewish and broader Australian communities. Their contribution has helped to create the vibrant, cosmopolitan society that has come to define modern Australian life. Survivors also sought to educate others, transforming their horrific experiences into a committed activism, with the hope that events such as the Holocaust will never happen again.
There was one queue for the women, one queue for the men, and a third queue for the old ladies, for the old people with the babies. And as we were taken into the trains, I never saw them again.